Hi, this is Jennifer Pressimone with the JennScents Aromaversity for today's scent break. So we are going to combine 4 essential oils into a nasal atomizer for our scent break that we can carry with us at work, when we're on the go, at sporting events, whatever your schedule is. So we are going to be using Ravintsara, orange, bay laurel, and cinnamon. And so Ravintsara is highly antiviral. It's very powerful at helping us to connect with ourselves, but to be open and free and feel that we can do whatever we want. So inspiring, motivating, encouraging. And we are going to use our nasal atomizer. So we have inside of the nasal atomizer is a clear glass with a scent wick. And so what we're going to do is we're going to add 2 drops of Ravintsara to that, and then next we're going to add 2 drops of orange. We're going to keep this recipe simple. If you like one more than the other, then you certainly can add more of that. Orange is obviously the color orange, which is significant for creativity. It's also one of my favorite for adrenal exhaustion, when we go and burn the candle at both ends. So we're going to add 2 drops of orange. And then we are going to add 1 drop of bay laurel. Bay laurel is very strong. It can overtake a blend. So we're just going to do 1 drop. And we know bay laurel is really good to help us feel victorious, to help us feel confident and courageous, but also when we feel lonely and abandoned. And then last, we're going to add 2 drops of cinnamon. And I consider cinnamon a hug in a bottle. So it's very antiviral, antifungal, antibacterial, but just very warming to the heart as well. And then you put your scent wick in, you put on the top, put it all together, and you have your nasal atomizer. So whenever you're at work or wherever you are, you can pull it out of your pocket or your purse. Breathe that in, get your scent break for the day. So enjoy, and until next time, have a great day.